It's my property.
Of course. You think it's a physical place.
Anyone who enters the museum becomes unstable.
It can't belong to anyone.
That's not a museum.
What matters isn't what's there, but what's missing.
It's not even lost. I lose a book, I forget it no matter how important it is. If they can't stop thinking about it, it's not present at forgetting. Every moment, it's something else.
Yes, I went in. I know, I was the youngest since they closed it. That's why my family shut it down. No one is allowed inside.
Stop calling it a museum. A museum shows you what's there. This only points out what's missing from the edges.
It's my property. It was Crown property for years. My family bought it. We keep it guarded, and its location is secret. Because you know what it does to people.
It ruined my life.
The symptoms repeat. There is always a void. It never completes. You could have Michelangelo's David right in front of you, and you would only think about what's absent.
Anyone who enters the museum becomes unstable. If you go in, depression deepens, suicidal thoughts intensify. The sign of fighter sets itself. No one should enter. You ask if it had any effects on me? No, I'm whole.
I was a thief. They told me about a museum, said it held treasures beyond imagining. I became obsessed with taking it all. My floor plans, it studied it, its history, its soul. And you know what's missing. Everything has value by itself. Once else is just decoration around the whole.
I was security for the museum. What was lost escaped from the start. Only then is their existence